Hey guys, Mike Miller with Rellim Arms, showing you the new AMP system and its custom bag. So we're going to start off with the 223-556 caliber. This is a custom-made bag for it. There's 4 pockets. One for the actual rifle or the pistol receiver itself. One for a barrel. This version we're actually using a suppressor in it. You can use another barrel for say 300 blackout or another one that works with this system. And another one for mags, ammo, optics, whatever you want. So this product assembles really easy. Uses a Law Tactical folding stock adapter on the back. All you do is click it forward, slide the charging handle back, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. One twist, locks into place. Let go, you're ready to rock and roll. Using an Athlon red dot. That one's ready to go. Standard 55 grain ammo. Send a couple of rounds downrange. Here we go. All right, now we're going to have a suppressor. There we go. And that's it. Disassembles the same way as you put it together. Pull the charging handle back, twist the barrel off. Now this is the important part. From here you can switch 300 blackout, 223, 556, same thing. You put that in together on this. You can also use different lengths. So this is the pistol version. That's why we are shooting the 8-inch barrel. You can put up to whatever barrel length you want on it. So I have the bolt release forward. Remove your optic. Put it back in the same way you took it out. Now the cool thing about this, it has one little handle on it. You can lift up on it. Latches it all up. One little convenient little bag. Put your strap on it to hold it together. You're ready to go.